rising. In the night where the shadows move slow, feel the bass line under your soul. Heartbeat sinking with the sound, heavy dub gonna shake the ground. From the roots where the rhythm was born, through the fire, through the storm, sound system calling your name. In this vibe we all the same. Close your eyes, let it flow. Let the low end take control. No escape, just embrace. Feel the pressure, feel the bass. The pressure rising, feel it deep inside. No denying, let the rhythm guide. The pressure rising, take you far away. No more hiding, let the bass line play. Feel that pressure. Through the smoke and neon light, we keep moving through the night. Every step, every sound, bass vibration all around. From the jungle to the streets, feel the rhythm in your feet. Ancient roots in modern time, dub connection, pure and prime. Let it build, let it grow. Feel the energy below. No control, just the way. Let the sound system enslave. The pressure rising, feel it in your veins. No disguising, breaking all the chains. The pressure rising, echo through your mind. No revising, leave the world behind. System, sound, control. Bassline take your soul. Pressure, building higher, sound, system fire. In the darkness we unite, guided by the flashing light. No more fear, no more doubt. Let the heavy bass break out. Feel the ground beneath you shake. Every move, every break. Sound system taking control. Deep vibration in your soul. The pressure rising, higher than before. Hypnotizing, begging you for more. The pressure rising, let the speakers cry. Energizing, take you to the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the bass fade slowly, but it never really leaves. Can you feel it coming back? Stronger, deeper, heavier. Boom, boom, boom. gather together underneath the moonlight. The sound system rises, reaching the sky. Every heartbeat moving as the rhythm flies. From Kingston streets to islands afar, every soul shining like a reggae star. The bass line rolling like waves on the sea. Tonight we're living wild and free. Raise your hands, feel the vibration. One love flowing through every nation. No matter where you come from tonight, we're united in the music and light. Jah vibes tonight, we're feeling alright. Roots and bass carrying us through the night. Jah vibes tonight, under moonlight skies. One love forever, let your spirit rise. Jah vibes tonight, hear the sound so strong. Everybody singing the same sweet song. Jah vibes tonight, no fear, no fight. Just peace and love in the reggae light. The speaker tower standing tall and proud, sending sweet vibrations into the crowd. Every drum beat shaking the ground below. Every smiling face glowing in the show. The palm trees dance with the ocean breeze, moving in rhythm with effortless seas. The stars above keep watching the scene, the most beautiful night we've ever seen. Raise your voice and sing along. This reggae feeling makes us strong. Every heartbeat finds its place, together moving in amazing grace. Jah vibes tonight, we're feeling alright. Roots and bass carrying us through the night. Jah vibes tonight, under moonlight skies. One love forever, let your spirit rise. Jah vibes tonight, hear the sound so strong. Everybody singing the same sweet song. Jah vibes tonight, no fear, no fight. Just peace and love in the reggae light. We don't need riches, we don't need gold. The greatest treasures are stories told. Friends together beneath the stars. Forget the troubles, forget the scars. The rhythm heals what words can't say, guiding our spirits along the way. From every corner across the land, we move together, hand in hand. Oh, Jah guide us through the night. Keep our hearts forever bright. Let the music never fade in this love that we have made. Oh, Jah guide us through the storm. Keep us safe and keep us warm. With every beat and every sound, let peace and unity be found. Jah vibes tonight, we're feeling alright. Roots and bass carrying us through the night. Jah vibes tonight, under moonlight skies. One love forever, let your spirit rise. Jah vibes tonight, hear the sound so strong. Everybody singing the same sweet song. Jah vibes tonight, no fear, no fight. Just peace and love in the reggae light. The night grows deep, but the energy stays. The music keeps flowing in countless ways. The bass line echoes across the shore, making us dance and ask for more. Children laughing, elders smile. The positive vibe stretch mile after mile. A celebration of life and soul. Music making everybody whole. Hey, hey, hey. Jah vibes tonight. Hey, hey. Everything's alright. Hey, hey. Roots and bass unite. Hey, hey. Keep the fire bright. Hey, hey. Jah vibes tonight. Hey, hey. connection. From the mountains to the ocean, from one heartbeat to another. This is the deep pulse connection. The silence of the evening glow, there's a frequency only dreamers know, rolling softly through the midnight air, a hidden force connecting everywhere. From the city lights to the countryside, through every valley, every rising tide, a pulse awakens beneath our feet, moving every soul with a steady beat. Nobody standing in its way, no walls can keep the sound away. The rhythm travels far and wide, like a river flowing with the tide. Deep pulse connection, flowing through the night, a vibration of unity, shining like a light. Deep pulse connection, stronger than before, every heartbeat shines together. Precious than silver or gold. The drums keep speaking their sacred tongue, songs of the elders forever sung, carrying wisdom through the years, turning pain into strength and tears. Listen closely and you'll hear a message ringing crystal clear. Love is stronger than the fear, and the answer's always near. Deep pulse connection, flowing through the night, a vibration of unity, shining like a light. Deep pulse connection, stronger than before, every heartbeat joins together. Open every door, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the bassline roll. Oh, 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 oh. Let the good vibes flow. Echoes in the distance, thunder underground, every soul awakening to the universal sound. Beneath the moon and stars above, we gather here in peace and love. Different faces, different names, yet the rhythm burns the same. Every step and every move, every groove inside the groove creates a bond we cannot see but feel within eternally. The speaker shakes the midnight sky, sending messages flying high through the darkness, through the haze, lighting up forgotten ways. Can you feel it? Can you hear it? Moving through the atmosphere. Can you feel it? Can you hear it? The vibration drawing near. Deep pulse connection, flowing through the night, a vibration of unity, shining like a light. Deep pulse connection, stronger than before, every heartbeat joins together. Open every door. One heartbeat, one rhythm, one vibration, one people, one spirit, one destination. No matter where we come from, no matter where we go, the pulse remains inside us, a truth we've always known. Hey, yeah. Deep pulse connection. Hey, yeah. Universal vibration. Deep pulse connection. Hey, yeah. Positive sensation. Wow. Morning comes but still it stays, guiding The bass grows softer, the echoes drift away, but the connection remains inside every heartbeat, inside every memory, inside every dream. Deep pulse connection, forever, forever, forever.
One love, one art, sound system culture. From the roots to the future, bass vibration, feel the meditation. Sunrise glow upon the mountainside. River keeps flowing like a never-ending guide. Children laughing while the elders testify. Stories of freedom reaching up to the sky. We gather around with the family near. No fear in our heart, only wisdom we share. Drums keep calling and the spirit appears through the rhythm and the bass in our ears. Every struggle make us stronger than before. Every lesson open up another door. When the world keep pushing down on the poor, music remind us what we're living for. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Hear the waterfall singing harmony. Nature speaking in a sacred melody. Every heartbeat moving perfectly, connected by the universal energy. Lion spirit standing proud and tall. When the pressure comes we never fall. Brothers and sisters answering the call. One destiny embracing us all. Through the city lights and village roads, everybody carrying heavy loads. Music lift away the weight we hold, turning simple moments into gold. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Bass rolling, feel it in your chest, feel it in your soul. Echo, echo, echo. One love, one love. Roots and culture. Many roads lead to the same destination. Different colors, one human nation. No need for hatred, no separation. positive vibrations start to grow. Through the highs and through the lows, the river of love forever flows. Shoot up today, keep your vision clear. The future belongs to those who persevere. Walk with courage and never disappear. Your purpose is already drawing near. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Dubwise, Dubwise, roots and culture, roots and culture. Feel the beat, feel the beat. Deep and heavy, deep and heavy. One love, one love. Good vibration, good vibration. Look around at the beauty we receive. More than enough if we choose to believe. Every seed planted eventually leaves a blessing hidden underneath the trees. Give thanks for the air and the rain, for the sunshine after every pain, for the wisdom every loss can gain. Nothing in this life is ever in vain. The rhythm carry us across the sea, beyond borders where we're meant to be. The sound of freedom always setting free. A song of hope for all humanity. Dubwise, roots and culture tonight. Bassline shining like a beacon light. One love flowing through the dark and bright. We keep moving till the morning light. Dubwise, roots and culture so deep. Positive energy we always keep. Sound system medicine for every street. Feel the vibration underneath your feet. Dubwise, one love. Roots and culture, roots and culture. One love, one love.
Oh Zion, hear the calling in the distance.
Hear the drums up on the mountain. The roots are growing. The fire is burning forever and ever. Oh, Zion. I was walking through the valley late at night, searching for a place where everything feels right. The stars above were shining with a holy light, guiding every step along the ancient right. Many roads appeared before my eyes. Some were built on greed and countless lies, but I kept moving toward the sunrise, following the truth beyond the skies. The elders spoke of days gone by, when kings and warriors reached the sky. Their wisdom never truly dies. It lives within the people's cries. Roots of Zion, growing stronger. Carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with eternal fire. Every heartbeat, every song reminds us where we all belong. Hear the children singing in the street, dancing to the rhythm of the beat. Every soul and every heart shall meet in a place where love and peace complete. No matter where we come from today, the light of Jah can show the way. When darkness tries to make us sacred force within the sound. The bassline shaking all around, spreading blessings town to town. Roots of Zion, growing stronger. Carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with eternal fire. Every heartbeat, every song reminds us where we all belong. Dubwise echoes in the night, bassline rolling, mountains calling. Zion, Zion, Zion. The roots grow deep, the roots grow strong. Across the ocean and the sea, many souls are longing to be free, breaking every chain of misery, finding hope through unity. The lion roars within our chest, giving strength when we're distressed, teaching us that we are blessed when we choose love above the rest. The wind carries ancient melodies, floating softly through the trees, like a prayer upon the breeze, bringing hearts back to their peace. Roots of Zion, growing stronger. Carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with eternal fire. Every heartbeat, every song reminds us where we all belong. When the morning sun begins to rise, golden colors fill the skies. Every new day is a surprise, a gift before our very eyes. Let compassion be our guide, keep the truth forever by our side. With the spirit as our tide, there is nothing left to hide. Every mountain we must climb, every season, every time. The roots continue through the rhyme, growing stronger with each line. Rise up, children of the light, keep your vision shining bright. Stand together, hold on tight, love will win the final fight. Rise up, sisters, rise up, brothers, care for one another, hand in hand with every other, living as one family forever. Roots of Zion, growing stronger. Carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with eternal fire. Every heartbeat, every song reminds us where we all belong. Roots of Zion, growing stronger. Carry me a little longer, through the storm, through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Oh Zion, guide us through the night. Oh Zion, keep the fire burning bright. Oh Zion, guide us through the night. Oh Zion, hear the calling in the distance, hear the drums up on the mountain. The roots are growing, a fire is burning forever and ever. I was walking through the valley late at night, searching for a place where everything feels right. The stars above were shining with the holy light, guiding every step along the ancient rite. Many roads appeared before my eyes, some were built on greed and countless lies, but I kept moving toward the sunrise.
following the truth beyond the skies. The elders spoke of days gone by, when kings and warriors reached the sky. Their wisdom never truly dies. It lives within the people's cries. Roots of Zion, growing stronger. Carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with.
Oh, Jah, can you hear the sound tonight? Deep in the valley, deep in the mountain, the bass is calling, the spirit is rising. Whoa. Walking through the darkness of Babylon town, searching for a light that can never be found. People chasing shadows, running all around, but the roots of wisdom are hidden underground. Hear the drums beating from a distant place, ancient melodies